Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to register for Gmail account on your Android device. So all you just have to do is go to your Gmail app and open it. So it will say welcome to Gmail. All you have to do, click here and click on done. Then it will say add an email address. Click on email address, click on Google, then you click on create account. For myself and for this my child, if you are creating a Gmail account from your child who doesn't know how to operate an Android device fully, so you can create it for him or her. So, and if you are doing this for yourself, you click on for myself, click first name Adam and your last name If. Then you click on next. You select your age, the month you were born, and the year. Click on your gender, either female, male, or rather not say. Click on it, male, on next. Then so it will bring some options for you that you should choose from, either the first one or the second one, or you want to change this, you want to create a Gmail address for yourself that you will always remember. You can click on create your own Gmail address, and if not, then you click either of these two, of the first top two, click on it. But for me right here, I'm going to be creating my own Gmail address. Click on create, then maybe official Adam If. Then you click on next. Then you choose your password. For as an example, let me use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then click on next. So as you can see, password must be at least 8 characters long. So let's do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Click on next. So again, it's showing me some warning. Please choose a stronger password. Try a mix of letter, numbers and symbols. So let me do this. Let me use a name. Let me use Adam, uppercase E, and the rest Adam If. Then let me choose a number and also a symbol. So either you choose @ or hashtag. So let me use hashtag. Click on next. Then you put your phone number, wherever country you are. You can switch it and choose your country. 081 69 7531. Then a code will be sent to your phone number. So you wait till the code has entered. So you click on yes, I'm in. Then it will review your account, the name you use, your Gmail address, and your recovery phone number. So you click on next. Scroll down. Click on more option. You can read the YouTube history, ads personalization. So when you are done reading all these privacy and times, or better still, you can skip that and go to I agree. Then you click on next. It will bring some options for you that you should choose from, either the first one or the second one, or you want to change this, you want to create a Gmail address for yourself that you will always remember. You can click on create your Gmail address. So again, it's showing me some warning. Please choose a stronger password. Try a mix of letter, numbers and symbols. So let me do this. go to agree, going to load. So after you are done with it, you can click on take me to Gmail. So and boom, the Gmail account is ready for use. And then if you already have a Gmail on your account, but you want to create another new Gmail account, it's not hard. You just have to open your Gmail account and click right here and click on add another account. Then whether it's Yahoo, Google, Outlook, Hotmail, any other email you want to set up, you click on. For me, I'll be choosing on Google. Click on Google again. Click on create new account for myself or to manage my business. You can click on for myself or to my business, and you will go through all the process I talk all about. So that will be all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.